Good morning, students. In this video, we learn about the binary to decimal conversion. Okay, so let's do the practice. For example, now my question is 1011. This is my binary number, and now we want to convert it into decimal, and the base of decimal is your 10. Now binary is given and we convert it into decimal number. So just you can write down same in this way. 1, then you can write down this 0, then you can write down again this one, and then you can write down this one in same way. Don't change anything. After that you can start from the right side. From the here you can write here 2, and you can start the power of 2, and the power of 2 is 0. After that you can again write down 2 raised to power 1, then you can write down 2 raised to power 2, then you can write down 2 raised to power 3. Again you can understand this point. You can start from the this side, and you can just only 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, and 2 raised to power 3. So now you can again write down. You can start from the here, from this one. You can first write down this value 1. After that you can multiply, and after multiply you can write down the this power, and this power is your 2 raised to power 3. Then you can add here plus symbol. After plus symbol you can again use 0, this 0, and you can multiply with 2 raised to power 2. So again you can multiply with 2 raised to power 2 here. Then again write down plus symbol here. After plus symbol you can again, now you can write down this one here 1, and multiply with 2 raised to power 1. After this one you can again add plus symbol here, and now you can write again this one multiply with 2 raised to power 0. Now start calculating from this side. Write down here 1 multiply 2 raised to power 3. What do you mean by the 2 raised to power 3? 2 raised to power 3 you can write down here 2 raised to power 3 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8. So my answer is 8 here. Clear everyone? So next is my 0. You can just write down 0 multiply 2 raised to power 2. Multiply means 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. So you can write down 4 here. Clear everyone? So now our next value is again plus this one. Now you can write down this one multiply 2 raised to power 1 means 2. Then you can write down again plus. Now you can write down 1 multiply 2 raised to power 0 If any value have 0 power, then always your answer is 1. If you are, for example, you are 8 raised to power 0, your answer is 1. If you are 7 raised to power 0, answer is 1. If you are 1000 raised to power 0, your answer always is 1. So if any value of power is 0, then your answer always is 1. Clear? So here our 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So just you can write down here 1. Now you can calculate it. 1 multiply 8 is equal to 8 plus 0 multiply 4 is equal to 0 plus 1 multiply 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 multiply 1 means 1. So you can write down 1 here. Now you can add this 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So this 11 is our decimal. So how you write your answer? 1, 0, 1, 1. This is your binary number and our decimal value is 1, 1, 10. Clear everyone? If you want to check it, then you can check it, no problem. You have already know about the how you convert the decimal to binary conversion. You can convert here. So let's do the conversion again. Here we prove it and we calculate vice versa. Our question is completed here. But if we want to prove this, if we want to check our answer, then you can convert it again. Now, for example, my value is given 11 decimal and we want to convert it into binary. So just simple divide 11 with 2. 2 5 ja 10, remainder 1. 2 2 ja 4, remainder 1. 2 1 ja 2, remainder 0. So our answer is 1 0 1 1 and this is our binary number. So this and these are the same thing. So we prove. So this is your binary to decimal conversion. You can just write here. Clear everyone? For example, now my value is in binary with fractional. My value binary with fractional, then how you can convert it? For example, my same value is there 1 0 1 1.1 and now my value is 10 and we want sorry, its base is not 10, this base is 2 because this is your binary number and now we want to convert it into decimal number. So how you calculate this? We already know about this, but we don't know how to calculate 0.1. So we calculate again once we do it again. You can write down 1 0 1 1 dot 1 here. After that you can start from the this side always. You can write down 0 2 raised to power 0 2 raised to power 1 2 raised to power 2 2 raised to power 3 and from this side after point after decimal value your power is in minus, your power is in minus. So how you calculate it? You can just write down 1 multiply this one 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 multiply 2 raised to power 2 plus this one now 1 multiply 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 multiply 2 raised to power 0. Now dot point 1 divided by 2 raised to power minus 1. And when your value is in minus 1, then you can simply calculate it with divide method. You can divide it with 1 by 2 raised to power 1. So you can calculate it. 1 multiply 2 3 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, plus 0 multiply 2 to the 4, plus 1 multiply 2 1 the 2, plus 1 multiply, if power is 0 then our answer is 1 always, then you can divide 1 by 2. Clear? So 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus. Now you can divide 1 from the 2. So you can write here 1, then you can divide it with 2. So your value is 0. Then you can write down 0.5. So 5 is 10 here. So my answer is 0.5. So you can calculate in this way, and then you can write down here 0.5. So you can just write down here 0.5. So now you can add it. 10 plus 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11.5, and this is my decimal number. How you can write your answer? 1 0 1 1 dot 1 binary equivalent to 11.5 decimal. So here binary to decimal conversion, binary fraction with decimal conversion is completed. So here our this chapter is completed. In next class we learn about the octal to decimal conversion. Octal to decimal conversion.